Yes, Nitika, good morning. Yes, Freedom, good morning. Yes, so yes, good morning, everyone. So,
Morning, sir.
morning. So, we'll continue with exercise 15.1. 15.1 question number. Now, I'm taking the question number 14. That is related to your card question. Okay, playing card question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting the king of red color. The first one is probability of getting a king of probability of getting a king of red color. Now tell me, what is the probability?
1 by 50. 1 by 52.
1 by 52, king of red color. 1 by 52.
No, sir. 2 by 26. 2 by 26. Yes, sir.
We are
Good
having
morning, sir.
morning. We are
Yes, sir. Diamonds and hearts. Both are.
diamond and hearts. Two red colors are
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
2 by 52. When you cancel it, you will get 1 by 26. Right? Okay. Now second part is probability of um, getting a face card. Getting a face card. Getting a
3 by 13.
face card. So the total number of face cards are how much?
12.
12.
12.
Please 12 by 50.
12 by 52
12 by 52.
Let's do that 12.
is equal to 3 by 13.
That 12 that is 3 by 13. Right. Now next is a red face card. Very good question. Probability of getting a red face card. A red face card. Red face card. Total number of face cards are
6 by 52.
out of which 6 are black and 6 are red. So that will be equal to 6 by 52. Right? So
Is equal to 3 by 26.
these are equal to 3 by 26. Right? Now next is jack of cards. That is probability of getting a jack of cards. Jack of
1 by 52, sir.
jack of cards is unique card, na?
Yes, sir. 1.
One by
Single card.
1 by 52.
and next is question number 5. That is probability of getting a spade. Spade.
1 by 4, sir. 1 by 4.
Yes, why 1 by 4? Because
1 by 4.
1 by 4, sir, because 13 by 52.
total spade cards are 13, na?
Yes,
13.
sir.
13 by 52, 13 1 by 13 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The queen of diamond. The getting
Yes, sir. 1 by 52.
Queen of diamond is also a unique card. That is 1 by 52. That's all. So I hope the question related to card that you can easily do. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
everyone. And today also the strength is very less. Only 49 students are there. कल तो 60 थे, आज 50 हो गए. It is not done, beta. This is not done. And join your class. School, all the principal, vice principal, director, principal, madam, and all the staff is also very much worried about your attendance. So this year, what will happen, I don't know. Okay, because the appearing in the examination is now not in our hand. It is totally on board's wish. यदि बोर्ड आपको चाहेगा वही आपको अपेयर करवाएगा, अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट डाउनलोड योर एडमिट कार्ड in that time. At the time of examination you have to face very big problem because they will be helpless and you have to go to Bhubaneswar and और वहां जाके आपको रोज चक्कर काटना पड़ेगा, right? And finally you will not get the admit card because there is a rule that your attendance must be 75%. This year, due to this COVID, the board is very much strict about the attendance. Whatever attendance, whatever online class is going on, your attendance must be 75%. तो 75% कितना होगा देखो, actually 200 days school लगता है. When the school is offline, then around 200 days आपका 200 days 200 डेज आपका अटेंडेंस होती है, मैक्सिमम 200 डेज, वो भी नहीं होती आजकल क्योंकि छुट्टियां बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है. तो 200 डेज मिनिमम अटेंडेंस वर्किंग डेज होता है. दिस इज 200 वर्किंग डेज एंड आउट ऑफ 70% 75% के लिए कितना होगा 150 अटेंडेंस होना चाहिए. अटेंडेंस ये ऑफलाइन का है, ऑफलाइन का है. और ऑनलाइन में हार्डली आपकी 100 क्लास होगी, 100 और 120 क्लासेस होगी. अभी तक आपकी 84 क्लासेस हुई है मैथ्स की, 85 क्लासेस आज तक 85 क्लासेस आज तक हुई है आपकी. ठीक है, 85 क्लास में यदि 85 की जगह 120 लेते हैं, मैक्सिमम आपका 120 लेते हैं क्लास, तो 120 का 75% निकालने के लिए क्या आएगा, ये देखो
77 78 क्या
only out of 90 class at least, but you are not attending. So what we can do, only we can remind you and we can alert you, but apart from that we cannot do anything because आप सब लोग बाहर रहते हो और आपके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे ऊपर. देखो 51 अटेंडेंस है. मैं 2 दिन तक कंटिन्यूस फोन किया था, फॉलो अप किया था, तो 60 का अटेंडेंस आ गई थी, 50 अटेंडेंस. आप देखो आज फिर गायब होगा. देखो कितने लोग गायब है आज. Okay, and definitely you have to face the problem this year, my dear. Okay, now we move on to the next exercise. That is sorry, not exercise. Next exercise, that is question number 15. I am taking question number 15. 15 is very easy. 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of Diamond are given. Okay, and what is the probability that the card is a Queen? Tell me.
1 by 5 1 by 5
What is the probability of card is Queen? क्योंकि out of 5 cards we have taken only 5 cards, ना? So out of 5 cards, Queen is only.
yes sir.
That will be equal to 1 by 5. So I think you can do it. Okay. Now next is
Yes sir.
if the Queen is drawn and put aside. और Queen को अगर हम बाहर निकाल दिए, तो out of 4 cards only, out of 5 cards only 1 card is moved. One card is removed. So how much left? 4 cards are left.
4.
Right?
Yes, sir.
4 cards.
So you need to find out ace. What is the probability of ace?
1 by 4.
Very
1 by 4
What is the probability of queen?
0.
Yes.
ऐसा क्योंकि
Yes,
because
queen
it
is
is taken
put
out.
in aside.
हमने queen को पहले ही निकाल दिया है. So that will be 0.
Yes, sir.
That is 0 by 4 means 0. So I hope you can do it. Okay. ये सब oral question है, मैं आपको oral.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now question number 16. You can see question number 16. 16 is 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. आपके पास 132 अच्छी पेन है और उसमें आपकी 12 डिफेक्टिव पेन्स भी हैं, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेन्स हो जाएगी कितनी? नंबर ऑफ गुड पेन्स that is 132 and number of defective pens are 12. So total number of pens that will be
144.
that will be equal to 142. Okay, so 144 total number of pens are there, right? One pen is taken out at random from the lot. एक पेन हम निकाल देंगे and you need to find the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So probability of getting a good pen, what will be the probability? Good pen.
11 by 12, sir. 132 by 144 is equal to 11.
So probability of getting a good pen, total number of good pen is 132. So that will be 132 and total number of pens is 144. अब इसको कैंसिल करो, तो 2 6 are 2 6 are 2 7 are 2 2 are 6 1 are 6 1 are 6 1 are 6 2 are. That will be equal to 11 by 1. Is that clear to everyone? Who is this? Harsali? Yes. Good morning. Good morning, Harsali. Yes, 56. अभी देखो 55 स्ट्रेंथ आई है. And I think the same student, those who are not attending the class, they are repeating again and again. वही बच्चे ही absent कर रहे हैं. Only few students are those who are not interested. And I am really once again I am saying, actually I am not to say क्योंकि tension वाली बात है, but I am helpless to say this, right? That you must attend the class beta, otherwise you have to face problem. Okay, बाद में आपके parents आएंगे यहाँ पर हमको कुछ बोलेंगे, we cannot help them. So it is better the right option. Only few days are left for the your examination and few classes are left. अभी आपकी 4 से 16 तक आपका एग्जाम चलेगा. I hope you all have got your that is timetable you have got, and whole course is coming in pre-board examination. And after completion of this, I will take two or 3 days to complete your construction. Then after that, we will start our revision. And I am sure that if you watch the whole revision class, you will get full marks. क्योंकि मैं वैसे ही कोशिश कराने वाला हूँ कि जैसे आपको प्री बोर्ड एग्जाम में आएगा और जैसे बोर्ड एग्जाम में आएगा. And we are strictly follow the board pattern. And it is better to download the sample paper from a site, or I will send in your group sample basic and standard paper. And basic and standard papers are basic are okay, but standard paper are quite harder, right? थोड़ा hard है उससे. Or this year the board is giving 16 marks case study based question. And what is case study based question? If you see the sample paper of basic and standard, you will see the case study based question. Okay. Now, so this is over. Now,
सर एक डायग्राम दे दिया था उसमें और 4 को पूछा था.
हाँ, एक डायग्राम रहेगा आपका, एक स्टोरी रहेगी. एक्चुअली दैट इज ए डायग्रामेटिक स्टोरी. एक डायग्राम रहेगा, उसमें स्टोरी रहेगी, एंड द क्वेश्चन विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दैट डायग्राम एंड गिवन पैरामीटर्स. तो आपके पास आपके जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, 18, 19 and 20. There are 4 case study based questions. Case study based question, right? तो आपके केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन के 4 क्वेश्चन आएंगे. इसमें 5 क्वेश्चन, 5 पार्ट होंगे. 1 2 3 4 and 5. ये सब मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन होंगे. आउट ऑफ 5 क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 4 क्वेश्चन. तो 4 इसमें से 4 इसमें से 4 इसमें से 4 इसमें से टोटल 16 क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट आउट ऑफ 20. चारों में आपको 5-5 ऑप्शन रहेगा, 5-5 क्वेश्चन रहेगा. आउट ऑफ 5 यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 4 क्वेश्चन. मींस दिस केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में आपको 16 एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने हैं एंड 16 MCQ is divided into 4 question और case study based question में 17, 18, 19, 20 में एक आपको story question और case study based question रहेगा. You have to read that question thoroughly and with concentration, and you have to give the answer given in the form of MCQ. That is not very tough, but the condition is that you have to understand the question properly. If you once you understand the question properly, definitely you will give all the answers. Okay, so this is new thing this year, and remaining are as it is. 2 marks question, 3 marks question, and 5 marks question. 4 mark question is removed this year. So only 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question, and 5 mark question. I will give you complete format of this.
टफ था थोड़ा केस स्टडी.
Huh? What happened?
टफ था सर केस स्टडी वाला.
You can say lengthy. Lengthy means what? जो आपका सेक्शन ए है, इसमें तो सेक्शन बी पार्ट.
यस सर, बहुत बड़ा था.
सेक्शन ए पार्ट जो है उसमें 16 क्वेश्चन है और 16 क्वेश्चन में सबका 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन में आपको एक्सप्लेन लिखना है. You have to write the step. Right? You have to write the step. Right? अच्छा बाद में बताऊंगा. अभी let me complete the course. Okay? Then I will discuss about this. Okay? Now.
सर केस स्टडी की अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है.
केस स्टडी के बेस क्वेश्चन में करवाऊंगा आपको.
भाई सर बोले ना बाद में डिस्कस करना. ये
नहीं करूंगा डिस्कस में. Let me complete the first course first. Then I will discuss each and everything. हर चीज में डिस्कस करूंगा और जो पेपर अभी आने वाला है वैसा ही क्वेश्चन हम लोग यहाँ पर सॉल्व भी करेंगे. ओके, हम लोग केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व भी करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 is very good question. A lot of 20 bulbs, four are defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot, and what is the probability that this bulb is defective? Tell me, what is the probability? What total bulbs are 20, and out of which 4 bulbs are
1/5.
Yes, that will be 4 by 20. So that is 1 by 5. First part is very simple. Next part is what? Suppose the bulb drawn in one is not defective and not replaced. जो पहले आप जो बल्ब निकाले थे फर्स्ट पार्ट में वो डिफेक्टिव नहीं है, ठीक है, और उसको रिप्लेस भी नहीं किया गया. Then now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. अब यदि उसमें से one bulb हम निकालेंगे, then what is the probability that bulb is not defective? Tell me, how will you do?
15/19.
Why? आपने तो आंसर देख के बोल
Sir, because we will.
Yes, why?
Yes, sir. Sir, because out of 20, we are left with 19 bulbs.
Yes.
And 4 are defective. So 19 minus 4, 15.
Probability of first part is 4 by 20, that is 4 1 4 5 1 by 5. This is the first part. And second part is probability of then one bulb is drawn from the rest. So out of 20, what is the total possible outcomes? Total possible outcomes
4 by 20.
20.
So 1 by 5.
क्योंकि 1 bulb निकाल लिया 20 में से, that will be equal to 19. And favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes will be equal to, अब आपके पास देखो 19 bulb बचा है, ठीक है, इसमें अब आपने 19 में कितना आपको निकालना है, 19 में कितना निकालना है, one bulb is that is not defective. So
तो
defective
5 निकालना नहीं 4 निकालना
तो 4 निकालना है तो आप 4 आप निकाल लेंगे कितना बचेगा
15 आएगा
Sir,
50
15 by 19.
yes so ये required probability will be equal to probability of event will be equal to 15 by 90 is that clear to everyone
Yes, sir. Clear.
यस सर
Sir, first वाला part बता दो ना.
कौन सा
Sir, इसी first वाला. हाँ.
फिर 17 का फर्स्ट वाला
Yes, sir.
17 का फर्स्ट में तो कुछ नहीं है बेटा उसमें देखो आपके पास 20 पेन्स थी ठीक है जिसमें से 4 डिफेक्टिव है तो डिफेक्टिव की प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछ रहे हैं व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट दिस बल्ब इज डिफेक्टिव so defective bulb is 4 and total number of bulbs were 20 so that
20.
that will be equal to 4 by 20 that is 1 by 5
Okay, sir.
ठीक है now next question question number 18 this is also oral question you can see here oral question that is box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90 ठीक है एक बॉक्स में 90 डिस्क है उसमें नंबरिंग किया हुआ है 1 to 90 if one disk is drawn at random from the box यदि एक डिस्क मैं बॉक्स से निकाल लूं and find the probability that it bears इसमें 3-4 कंडीशन है first one is a 2-digit number this is very good question
9 by 10.
just a minute I am explaining
81 by 90.
yes you are but
That is 9 by 10.
I am explaining to everyone हो सकता है काफी लोग समझ में ना आया हो तो 1 to 90
Yes, sir. 81 by 19.
है ना बॉक्स में
9 minus कर देंगे total.
बॉक्स में डिस्क में जो नंबर है वो इज फ्रॉम 1 to 90 1 2 3 4 5 to 90 right and the first question is what you need to find a 2-digit probability of getting a 2-digit number so 2-digit number will start from 10 right 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 up to 19 so 2-digit number कहाँ से होगा 2-digit number will start from 10 to 90 so 2-digit number के total 90 numbers है so 2-digit number कितने होंगे total 2-digit numbers will be equal to total 90 और इसमें 1 digit वाला माइनस कर दो that is 9 that will be 81 so probability first part probability of getting a 2-digit number right getting a 2-digit number 2-digit number that will be equal to
9 by
81 by 90
9 by 10.
81 by 90 so 9 9 are 81 9 10 that is 9 by 10 clear is it clear to everyone ये देखो 56 थे और 2 लोग छोड़ दिए only 52 रह गए रियांशी संभव सम्यक सानिध्य संस्कार दोषी ओके 9 by 10 and second part is what second part is a perfect square number perfect square numbers
So 9 by 90.
perfect square
Yes, sir.
numbers are
1 by 10.
यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक perfect square बिल्कुल नहीं होना है
Sir, 1 or 1 to 9 होगा.
सर 1 से 9 तक जितना भी स्क्वायर सब ले लेंगे
हाँ तो 1 हो गया 4 आ जाएगा 2 का 4 3 का 9 4 का 16
9 16 25 36 49
49
और 64 81
81 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
yes
so therefore probability of getting a perfect square number a perfect
Is
square
9 by 90.
number is equal to 9 by 90 so 9 1 is 90 that is 1 by 10 right?
Hmm.
Now, third one is a number which is
18 by 90.
number divisible,
2 by 10.
divisible
No, sir. 1/5.
number divisible by 5 are 5,
वही तो भाई 2 by 10 डिवाइड कर 1 by 5 वही तो है
20,
क्या विनम
30,
वीरम क्या है
40, 45, 50,
18 by 90
55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. ठीक है 85 and 90. And
Yes, sir.
one thing must keep in
सर अपन इसे कर सकते हैं ना 18 into 5 करके कि 90 से बड़ा उसका नहीं आना चाहिए तो 18 तक ही होगा
ठीक है ना भाई कैसे भी निकालना है आप कैसे भी निकाल सकते हो इट इज अप टू यू right and one thing must remember in your mind that if the number it is asking that find the number which is divisible by 5 between 1 to 90 between बोलेगा तो क्या होगा
उन दोनों के बीच में
yes
उन दोनों
1
के
से
बीच
90 के बीच में.
उसमें फिर 90 इंक्लूड नहीं होगा राइट तो रीड द क्वेश्चन वेरी
Yes, sir.
बिटवीन को ध्यान नहीं देते हैं तो बिटवीन को ध्यान देना है ठीक है तो इसमें तो बिटवीन बोला है so probability of number getting a number divisible by 5 and in the examination you must write the reason also okay ऐसे नहीं कि डायरेक्ट आपने ये लिखा 1 का 9 by 10 सेकंड का 1 by 10 थर्ड का ऐसा नहीं करना है आपको कितने हो गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 18 by 9 that is 18 by 18 by that is 1 by 2 is that clear to everyone
Yes, sir.
okay
क्लियर
now next question question number 19 this is also an oral question okay a child has a die whose 6 faces are shown as letters A, B, C, D, E, A, and you need to find the probability of getting A. क्या होगा बताओ probability of getting A?
A की 1 by
2 by
3,
3 2 by
2
3
by 6.
2 by 6
2
1 by
by
3 हो
6.
जाएगा
1 by 3
हो
होगा.
जाएगा
आयुष
यस सर 1 by 3 है
Because
1 by
हर्षित
3.
भाई गलत गलत बोल रहा है सर हर्षित
right because here
हाँ.
the frequency of letter A is 2, so that will be equal to 2 by
दो
that is 1 by 3 ना and
सर और डी 1 by 6 हो जाएगा
1 by 6 D का.
1 by 3 that's all okay good now I am taking the next question
20 वाला थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड है बाकी नहीं था
उसमें हाँ सही
okay I am taking 20 वाला question is very good question right one rectangle is given and one circle is given and rectangle is having the length 3 meter and width 2 meter and the what is the diameter of this circle is 1 meter it means radius of the circle will be 1 by 2 meter okay radius will be 1 by 2 meter now we need to find that what is the probability that it will land inside the circle probability और क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर एक डाई को डाल रहे हैं किसमें you are dropping the die on this and the condition is you have to put this die in this circle आपको ऐसे ऊपर से छोड़ना है डाई को और बताना है कि सर्कल में गिरने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है राइट सो व्हाट यू विल डू
Yes. The area of circle upon area of rectangle.
वेरी गुड
तो probability निकल जाएगी.
area of circle by total area
probability of that it will that a die will
11 by 7
inside
into half.
inside the circle that will equal to what? That is area of circle first, na? Area of circle divided by area of rectangle. So area of circle is what? Pi r square.
Pi r square.
And area of rectangle is L into B.
Length into breadth.
So pi is given as degrees and r is 1 by 2 square and L into B is equal to 3 into 2.
6.
Pi into 1 by 4 into 3 to the 6. So this will be equal to pi into 1 by
5 upon 24. 5 upon 24 answer.
that is pi by 24. Right? Pi by 24.
Clear, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
सर बट ये क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं है, इसमें लिखा है करके।
बहुत सही बोला, नहीं वो लिखा है वैसे, लेकिन ये आ सकता है एग्जाम में।
तो लिखने से नहीं आता।
वो पहले 2-3 साल पहले जो भी
ओके
क्वेश्चन नहीं आता था, लेकिन अब बिफोर लास्ट ईयर से ये पूरा क्वेश्चन से इंक्लूड करते हैं। Now, question number 21 that you can do. A lot consists of 144 ball pens which out of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Noori will buy the pen if it is good and will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives to her. And what is the probability that she will buy? यदि पेन अच्छी होगी तब वो खरीदेगी। तो अच्छे कितनी पेन है? Tell me.
124।
अच्छी 144 है।
अच्छी
नहीं
144।
सर 124 अच्छी है, टोटल 144
अच्छी
है।
है।
सर टोटल में 144 है।
124 by 144 is when she will buy, and she will not
31 by 36।
yes
31 by 36.
that will be 20 by 144 and you can cancel it. Okay.
Yes।
Okay. And
5 by 36।
and also I am not solving question number 22 that you can solve. Okay. So sum of the dice on the two numbers is, it is given to sum of two dice, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 12 is given, and you need to find out the
सर 21 के बी वाले का कैसे किया?
21 का बी वाला she will not buy, वो कब नहीं खरीदेगी बताओ? जब वो डिफेक्टिव होगी ना। तो कितनी डिफेक्टिव पेन
सर वो खराब रहेगा तो नहीं खरीदे। तो 1 माइनस क्यों किया है इसमें? मतलब
कहाँ माइनस किया है?
कहाँ 1 माइनस?
31 तू तो बोला वीरम।
नहीं
कोई नहीं बोला भाई, 20
वही तो
डिफेक्टिव है।
31 by 36।
20 है, yes 20
कौन?
Yes, sir. 30
20
वो
by
पहले का है।
clear?
Yes sir।
Okay. Now,
ओके सर।
Sir, clear.
22, I think 22 you can do, or shall I explain?
Yes sir, we will do।
Tell
सर
me.
करा दो सर 22 एक बार, नहीं तो
हाँ बताओ।
ये 2-3 वाला करा दो, फिर बाकी हम लोग कर लेंगे।
कौन सा 22?
शुरू के थोड़े।
कौन सा?
हाँ
22 बताओ।
यस सर बता दो।
22 में एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है देखो। 22 is very interesting question. When you throw two dice simultaneously, and it is given that na, Complete the following table. A student argues that, sorry, just a minute. Yes. Two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown. When two dice are thrown, then what will be total possible outcomes? Tell me.
36.
36. 6 into 6.
36.
36, sir. 36.
And how is 6 into 6 36? Who will
Sir,
just
because
फॉर्मूला था ना इसका.
Sir, 0, 0.
a minute.
sir, we will take all the outcomes like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then in second dice also 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can come, 4, 5, 6. So like this we will pair and we will get 36 pairs.
Yes, how?
Every number has 6 expect.
On table. Okay. How? ये देखो आपका that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. So, when you throw two dice, then the total possible outcomes. Just a minute. So, this is just like this just works as coordinate geometry. So, this will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. Right? Then again 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. Okay? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. Okay? And 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6. And 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, and 6, 1,